earthquake. All the forces shaping up our lives in different ways.
Wonder how it all fits together? Experience Earthquake, a brand new exhibit and planetarium show.
Don't you want to know how we got here, how we got there? This world is ever changing, and much is clear.
Only at the California Academy of Sciences in Golden Gate Park. Get tickets at calacademy.org.